Data analysis of rice yield, kilograms per rye, from the rice department. Objective: to determine whether the yield of rice and sticky rice are statistically different. Step 1. Test for normality. Method used: normality test, e.g., Anderson-Darling test in Minitab. Result: both datasets, rice and sticky rice, follow a normal distribution, p-value greater than 0.05. Step 2. Test for equality of variances. Method used: test for equal variances, e.g., Levine's test or Bartlett's test. Result: the variances of the two groups are not significantly different, p-value greater than 0.05. Allowing the use of a two-sample t-test assuming equal variances in the next step. Step 3. Hypothesis testing. Method used: two-sample t-test. Hypotheses: H, mu equals mu2, the mean yields of rice and sticky rice are equal. H, mu is not equal to mu2, the mean yields are different. Result: failed to reject the null hypothesis, p-value greater than 0.05. Therefore, there is no statistically significant difference in the average yields between rice and sticky rice. Conclusion: there is no significant difference in the average yield, kilograms per rye, between rice and sticky rice, based on the data analyzed using Minitab.